Eilik. Eilik is a new kind of robot that brings up a higher level of emotional interactions between humans and robots. Eilik responds to user interaction with animated facial expressions, which illuminate an OLED screen. A set of microphones and touch sensors allow the robot to recognize voices, touches, bumps, shakes, and even when it stands up. A vibration motor that gives haptic feedback, much like an animal responding to petting. Eilik is extremely sensitive to vibrations. If you hit his head, he'll get dizzy, and if slap the table hard, he'll be scared. Also, Eilik is afraid of high places. He feels unwell when he's off the ground. Although it's a great companion for desk. Vector. Vector is a little AI-powered robot that is packed with technology and character. It's designed as a robot companion. He's a curious little guy who is aware of his surroundings. He can see, hear, and feel, allowing him to react naturally to the world around him. Using a combination of sensors, it builds a little map of its surroundings. If it detects a new object, it'll go check it out and see if it can be pushed around. It pays attention to sound and is able to recognize faces. It's able to find its charger on its own. Vector combines a processor capable of running a smartphone with cloud connectivity to create one powerful brain. It means he can process his environment, react as things unfold, and connect to the internet to answer questions and tell you the weather. Professor Einstein. Professor Einstein is the first personal robot from Hanson Robotics. They cooked up the idea of a desktop-sized Einstein robot that could teach people about science. It carries Albert Einstein's character and unique teaching style of explaining complex topics in a way that everyone could understand. He has the most lifelike and emotionally expressive face of any personal robot, ever. Professor Einstein plays educational games, shares scientific facts, and answers questions on various topics. The robot uses dual proprietary battery packs, and there's a small power switch on his lower back. Professor Einstein connects to the cloud and interacts with users through an iPad or Android tablet and app. The Stynomatic app leads you through the rest. By creating a profile and telling Professor Einstein names, which he will occasionally use when he's speaking. EMO. EMO is an AI desktop pet with distinct characters and ideas. He stays by your side to keep you company, to surprise you, and sometimes to annoy you, just like a real pet. Built with multiple sensors and cutting-edge technologies, EMO is a cool desktop owl robot pet with real character. He can self-explore the world and react with 1,000+ faces and movements. The table pet can become sick in extreme weather situations, and it is the time that your pet needs your attention. As time passes, EMO will evolve its emotions, actions, and feelings, and understand more EMO voice commands. The Living AI has provided a high-quality 3D display in EMO. The EMO will display some basic visuals such as weather updates, greetings messages, pictures, battery charging level, firmware updates, and facial expressions. The EMO takes only 2.5 hours to fully charge its battery. Similarly, the EMO robot battery life lasts for 3 hours maximum, and it drops to 2 hours if EMO is in a busy environment. Astro. Astro is a new and different kind of robot, one that's designed to help customers with a range of tasks like home monitoring and keeping in touch with family. It brings together new advancements in artificial intelligence, computer vision, sensor technology, and voice in a package that's designed to be helpful and convenient. The Astro does use a similar navigation and mapping technology to its vacuum-enabled cousins, but its main role is to just be there when you need it. Like many of Amazon's smart home devices, Astro has a super streamlined setup process, which prompts you through the steps with on-screen directions. From the app, you can navigate the space in a variety of ways. Astro recognizes people using onboard visual identification. You teach it faces using its touchscreen, and all the data is stored and processed on the device. When its battery gets low, it goes to its charger. This is one of the best features of the Astro. As a home robot, Astro is a good companion. Moxie. Moxie is a companion robot made specifically for kids to play with every day. Unlike most bots, it's not just a glorified household appliance. It can learn to recognize a child's face and their particular learning needs. Moxie was developed by 𝐬𝐬𝐷𝐿, a robotics company based in California. Equipped with microphones, a camera, and sensors, Moxie was created with the expertise of technologists, child development specialists, and storytellers from the likes of Disney and the Jim Henson Company. Kids will be tasked with helping Moxie explore and learn human experiences and life skills, like learning new words or chatting about significant experiences like going to the dentist. Moxie, therefore, opens a new level of what companion or social robots are supposed to do and capable of. ClicBot. ClicBot is an advanced intelligent coding robot with built-in functions for education and entertainment. It can see, feel, hear, think, and communicate, bringing STEM learning to the next level. ClicBot's unique modular design makes it fully customizable, and the variety of playing configurations is limited only by your imagination. ClicBot manages to thread the needle so well, it should be on the wish list of every touchy kid's parents. You can use the phone as a remote control to operate the robot. You can make robots that walk, roll on motorized wheels, slither like a snake, grab things with a claw, and more. Your bots can respond to motion sensors and even climb walls with suction cup feet. It also allows you to create more special designs such as rover and engineering car, bringing you infinite possibilities. 𝐬𝐵Tech Lynx. 𝐬𝐵Tech Lynx programmable humanoid robot combines the latest advancements in robotic technology with the ever-expanding skills of Amazon Alexa to bring the smart home companion of the future. Lynx is cool in concept and in reality, it works just fine. Lynx can do almost everything the Echo can do, including smart home control, set a reminder, tell a joke, search the web, and much more. Lynx can dance, wave, and perform a number of other gestures on command. User can control Lynx remotely with the app via avatar mode. In surveillance mode, Lynx can monitor your home or office and send users a 30-second video direct to their smart device. This is the first humanoid robot ever with Alexa built in, which means there's room for improvement. Xiaomi CYBERDOG. The CYBERDOG bionic quadruped robot not only has bionic movement, but also has an interactive bionic visual and auditory experience, which can follow directions, recognize the owner, and even automatically follow the owner's command. CYBERDOG bionic quadruped machine is equipped with a high-precision environmental perception system and 11 high-precision sensors, which can detect environmental information such as images, light, distance, speed, and sound, and restore a more realistic biological response. The control is very simple. You can control it by voice, mobile phone, and just say CYBERDOG, and give instructions to complete complex actions. Aido. Aido is the next-generation social family robot. It is smart, interactive, and uniquely mobile. Aido can play with kids, help with household chores, handle schedule, and keep home safe. It has been built on an open platform so that its skills and applications can grow with time. Aido has already been awarded as the Game Changer of 2016 by T3 magazine, and is undoubtedly worthy of being a friendly new member of a family. Aido is a result of cutting-edge robotics research and development. Aido has 6 mics to hear voice commands and haptic sensors that recognize and respond to touch. It's also got onboard sensors for ambient light, air quality, noise, and pressure, as well as GPS. Aido has built-in object recognition and obstacle avoidance, and the battery should last about 8 hours, including 2 hours of mobility. Aido also supports a set of interactive games that can be played using latest technology in gestures.